Hi everyone, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, any part of the world that you are. My name is Dirobot Omotosho. Savannah City, formerly known as Ibadan, Afrika. Savannah City, Ibadan, Afrika is my new YouTube channel name because Ibadan, Afrika, people find it so difficult to pronounce. And I've been away for a while because I was busy with my exams, busy with schoolwork, busy with so many things around me. And I thank you all for being there for me. I just want to bring you a little bit of what exactly is Savannah it's all about. Savannah is at the edge of the city, okay, in Yoruba, is home to some of the most influential people in Nigeria. I repeat, home of some influential people in Nigeria. And these are the things that I just need to bring to you all so that why you'll be thinking that, oh, why he has changed his name from Ibadan to Savannah City. So I believe that Savannah City, people can pronounce it and they can get along with the name in a proper way. Thank you all for everything, for what you have been doing, those who have been watching, those who have been criticizing me, those who have been doing many things regarding my channel, those who are supporting me. I love you all, no matter what it is. And I just want to bring a story to you regarding one of the legendary musicians in Nigeria. I'm hale, hearty. Ebenezer debunks death rumor. Legendary musician Ebenezer has debunked rumors circulating that he has died. The musician turned evangelist debunked the rumor of his death in an Instagram live chat with Ovation magazine boss Dele Momodu. On Saturday, unverified claims swirled on various social media platforms that the music legend had breathed his last. But in an Instagram live session with Dele Momodu, a media personality, Obe described the rumor as untrue. He said, it is not yet time for him to die because he is here to complete his God-given assignment on earth. The 78-year-old musician also appreciated those who called him to confirm the veracity of the report, noting it was indicative of people's love for him. My phone has been busy all day. People have been calling. I'm not surprised though because of the affection people have for me, he said in a mixture of Yoruba and English. It is not yet time for me to die, says by the legendary musician Ebenezer Obey. I have not finished what God sent me to do. I must fulfill my purpose and complete my assignment. Its death is something that will surely come, but not now. The iconic singer, dubbed Chief Commander by his fans, is renowned for his high life juju brand of music. Obey, who is now an evangelist, kick-started his music career in the mid-1950s and has continued to pull the strings since then. The development further stretches the list of celebrities who have come out to dispel death rumor about them since the dawn of the year. In June, Hanks Anuku, a Nollywood actor, had taken to social media to debunk claim he had died. The Actor Guild of Nigeria, AGN, also quashed reports that Olu Jacobs, another Nollywood star, had passed on. I believe that this is a controversial news from everybody in the world. People believe that someone has died, this person has died, that person has died. But when God wants to take you off from the earth, is going to take your But I believe that with this rumor, is going to live for more years. It's going to live for more years. Guys, let me know what you think, and I'll be attaching his video along with Mr. Dele Momodu Ovation. So thank you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and thank you for supporting me in everything that you're doing. One love, one Africa.
Olúwa ẹ tóbi, ẹ tóbi o, ẹ tóbi. Olúwa o, Olúwa ẹ tóbi, ẹ tóbi o, ẹ tóbi o. Olúwa o, àwa yìn ọ́, Ọlọ́run wa o. Àwa ń jẹ́wọ́ rẹ pé ìwọ lolúwa o. Now, I wasn't supposed to come online before 8 o'clock when I'll be interviewing Mama Sports. Yes, Lady Aisha Falude. But there has been some very, very disturbing fake news, fake news that our Papa, Chief Commander Ebenezer Obey, has passed on. I can confirm to you that the story is not true. I've called and I've spoken to my very dear daddy. So what I will try and do now is see if I can get Baba online so he can speak to me live. And then, because even after we refuted it, some people were still saying it's a lie. Unless they see him speak live, they won't believe it. Baba is very, very fine. I can confirm that to you. So I'm waiting now to join Baba. Let me make a quick call. Olúwa ẹ tóbi, ẹ tóbi. Then at 8 o'clock, I'll come back with Lady Aisha Falude. Today has been a very, very, very busy day, but we thank God always. We thank God always. Has anyone noticed Obey on this platform? Please bear with me. I'm trying to see how we can quickly connect to Baba. Hello? Hello, we're ready. Okay. So I'm on the platform already. They are getting set in 1 minute. Yes, you will see Baba Obey live and direct. This one is not them say. At Ovation, let's boast a little. Access is our biggest asset. That's all. Finish. If you're a journalist and you don't have access to newsmakers, I can see ST Fabrics all the way from Ghana. Oh my God, how are you? Madam, long time. Good to see you here. I can see Princess Debo Dutola Omobabamba. I can see Dunkuru Media. Happy Fayemi. I am seeing so many people here. The editor of Ovation International. I can see you in 2 places at the same time. You are sitting in front of me and I'm seeing you live, and I have in the house the man I love so much, Azu Arinze. I interviewed Azu Arinze just a few days ago. He's right here to present his book formally. You will be seeing it. It's right here. The books are here while I'm waiting for Baba. So let me show you. I'm a very fortunate man. So I'm one of the first few people. I can take this now to the central bank to collect money. Yes, Baba. Okay, I think Baba is here. Everybody wants to see Baba. Okay, Baba is here. We're bringing him live. Kábíyèsí o, Olúwa o, ẹ̀yin Jésù Kristi, ọba ara ikú ẹ gbéga o, ẹ gbéga. Ẹ̀yin Jésù o, ẹ̀yin Jésù Kristi, bàbá ara ikú, ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nínú mi dùn. Ayọ̀kúnú ọkàn mi, ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nínú mi dùn. Ayọ̀kúnú ọkàn mi nítorí pé torí mo ní Jésù. Ayọ̀kúnú ọkàn mi torí mo ní Jésù lólùwà. Ayọ̀kúnú ọkàn mi kí ló mú tọ̀ mí wá? Ohun rere ló mú tọ̀ mí wá. Kí ló mú tọ̀ mí wá? Ohun rere ló mú tọ̀ mí wá. Ó lé ikú wọgbó, ó lé àrùn wọlẹ̀, ó wá sọ bànújẹ́ mi dayọ̀. Ohun rere ló mú tọ̀ mí wá. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ o wá, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni. Ẹ bá mi gbórúkọ rẹ̀ o. Èmi ni tí ń jẹ́ èmi ni olórúkọ ńlá. Èmi ni má ṣe bẹ̀rù. Kábíyèsí sà, bàbá mi mojúbà.
Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Olúwa, adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ó tọ́pẹ́ lọ.
Kábíyèsí sà, mo ṣe gbọ́ ni mo sáré pè yẹn. Wọ́n dẹ́rù bà wá díẹ̀.
Àkódà fóònù ti ń wá láti gbogbo everywhere.
Wow.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn, àkódà mo fẹ́ lo àkókò yìí láti dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ti pè mí lénìí. Fóònù yẹn kò sí mi bí eléyìí ṣe ń dún eléyìí ṣe ń dún.
Ká dúpẹ́.
Kò dẹ̀ yà mí lẹ́nu torí pé ìfẹ́ táwọn èèyàn ní wọ́n máa fi hàn gbàgbọ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
Kò tí ì sìnkú lójú mi o.
Amen.
Mi ì dẹ̀ ti parí iṣẹ́ tọ́lọ́run rán mi.
Amen.
I must fulfill my purpose.
Amen, Daddy.
And complete my assignment.
Amen.
So, my everything definitely is in the hand of God. They are all in the hands of God. And I am sure, and I'm very, I'm convinced the Lord will take me to where He's taking me to.
Amen, Daddy.
Ayọ̀ ló máa fi jẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n kí n ṣe sìn.
Àmín. Àmín, Daddy. Àmín, Daddy. Àmín, Daddy. No, inú mi dùn láti rí yín. Mo dẹ̀ rí pé inú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn dùn láti rí wípé kò sí òótọ́ kankan nínú awuyewuye tá à ń gbọ́ yẹn. Inú mi dùn gan ni. Ẹ ṣé o. Lágbára Ọlọ́run á máa dáàbò rẹ̀ bò yín àti gbogbo àwọn ọmọ àti gbogbo àwọn mọ̀lẹ́bí àti gbogbo àwọn ojúlùmọ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọba kábíyèsí wa, ọba Dòkun Abọ́lárìn, àwọn náà pè mí pé kí n pe bàbá o, kí n gbé wọn sórí afẹ́fẹ́ báyìí o.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ kábíyèsí náà ti pè mí o, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ńlá náà ti pè, kódà ó jọ mí lójú, ó yà mí lẹ́nu. Ẹlòmíì wà dùn, nígbà tí ẹlòmíì gbóhùn mi báyìí, ó bú sẹ́kún ni. Pèsè mi mo sọ̀rọ̀ mi ní. Ọpẹ́ ni fọlọ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni wẹ́, kò sọ́gbọ́n ta lè dá.
Rere Ọlọ́run máa ń ṣe.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, rere ni.
Gbogbo wa la máa lọ ọjọ́ kan. Àkókò tá a máa lọ ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run ló wà kò sí lọ́wọ́ ẹnì kankan.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà, bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà. Ká dúpẹ́. Ẹ̀yin náà lẹ́kọ́ ẹni kò sọ́gbọ́n ta lè dá, kò sí wa ta lè wo. Wọ́n náà ta lè gbà, ta lè fi táyé lọ́rùn o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni dádì mi, ẹ ṣé sà.
Àwọn dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn great men of God gbogbo tó ti pè mí. Ẹ ṣé gbogbo àwọn archbishop, àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run, ẹ ṣé gangan. Mo dúpẹ́.
Adúpẹ́ sà. Ẹ pẹ́ fún wa sà, Màá tún pè, ẹ ṣé sà. Ó dàárọ̀ sà. Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Yes sir.
Rape allegation debunks former manager. Mr. Franklin Amudo opened up on what happened at the hotel. The bank's former manager, Franklin Amudo, has released an official statement regarding the rape allegation leveled against the singer by a lady, Shaitan Babatayo. In a statement, Mr. Franklin said he was the one who invited Sheitan to an event in Lagos where Debunk attended and performed on December 30th, 2018. He said he gave Sheitan the keys to his room to pass the night at Glee Hotel. When she told him she couldn't return home that night as it was too late, he did not sleep in the room as he had to go home to prepare for an early morning flight to Accra, Ghana. Mr. Franklin said Sheitan called him later that night to allege that the band found his way into her room and raped her. He said immediately called one Hajia Mahmoud and informed him of the allegation Sheitan made. Franklin said Hajia told him not to worry about it and that he had given Sheitan $100, though the purpose for the money wasn't stated. Franklin said he was unable to ask the band at that time because it was the time period the singer lost his son and he felt it would be insensitive for him to discuss such a thing with him. In his statement, Franklin Amudo speak, "My truth according to what I know. I have read and observed the events of the past few weeks concerning the alleged rape made by Miss Sheitan against Debunk, who I used to work with as an artist manager. For the record, I worked with Debunk for 3 years and I have nothing but utmost respect for him and his craft. I choose to be silent on the matter initially as I try as much as possible to avoid meddling in issues in the public domain. More also, I deliberately refrain from making any statement or joining issue with anybody because the narration of my involvement as contained in Ms. Sheitan's petition was as far as I was involved. I am, however, shocked when I was alleged to have concluded with Ms. Sheitan to blackmail Debunk with the rape accusation, especially with the consequent defamation of my reputation and character by a Phantom Investigate journalist and other social media proxies. It has become imperative to narrate my own side of the story on the event that occurred 30th of December 2018 at Glee Hotel, Lagos. On that fateful day, I invited Sheyi, amongst others, to an all-white event at Eco Hotel. Sheitan and I were seated in a table at this event with Hajia, Mohammed, and Oida, who were friends of Debunk. Debunk was billed to perform at the event and he had an accommodation for the night at Eco Hotel Tower. The venue of the event, I had my hotel accommodation at Glee Hotel, Victoria Land. Hajia also had an accommodation at the same hotel. Please note that Debunk performed at this event and never sat with us on the table. After the event, Sheitan told me that it was too late for her to go home and I offered her my hotel room at Glee Hotel, as I already made plans to leave for home because I had an early flight to Accra by 7 a.m. of the 31st December 2018. I gave Sheitan the key card to the room at the park of the hotel and left immediately. Upon my arrival in Accra, Sheitan called me, saying the band gained access into her room at Glee Hotel by 3 a.m. and raped her. I was shocked at this allegation because I wondered how the band gained access into this room, knowing full well that I did not disclose my room number to him and he was not lodged at the hotel. Subsequently, I made a call to Ajia to narrate Shaitan's accusation, and he told me not to worry about it, that he had given Shaitan $100, though he never told me what the money was for. I called Shaitan back to ask why was she giving $100, and why she would claim she was raped by debunk, and she angrily replied in a series of voices note reiterating the accusation, and that she was told not to tell me because they assumed she was my girlfriend. She said she had left everything in God's hand and made it clear that she was not interested in taking the matter to the public. I chose not to discuss this matter with debunk because he and his wife were also in Accra, as this was supposed to be a healing trip to recover from the loss of their son. I thought it was insensitive to discuss such issue on this trip, as Shaitan had even mentioned that she didn't want the matter escalated further. I'll be attaching the stories alongside with it. I request anybody that are planning to bring any false allegation against any man, make sure or ensure that you have concrete evidence to back your story up. Otherwise, people won't buy your story at all in any part of the world. Male boy, they rape them, likewise female as well. So please, I request anybody that are involved in this racket to earn money or to gain public views. This is not yet a time. Better you keep quiet or silence forever. And if it's a real news, I believe that justice will come. But without real news, there won't be any justice. So therefore, know what type of story you want to bring into the public view. Thank you very much. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I believe that this Savannah city, Ibadan, Africa, has brought to you a real news for the same. Thank you all. One love, one Africa. God bless you all. Singer Skibi completes his multi-million naira mansion just in time to celebrate his birthday. Singer Skibi completes his multi-million naira mansion just in time to celebrate his birthday. Nigerian singer Abe, alias also known as Skibi, has joined the list of celebrities with beautiful property in the country. The Sensima Krona took to his Instagram page on Sunday, July 5th, 2020 to announce that he's now a landlord. I'll be attaching what God has done for Mr. Skibi. If God blessed you, it will surely reflect you in your life. Work hard, work smart, and bless others. I repeat, work hard, work smart, and bless others. So once you bless others, they'll be able to benefit from what you are really doing in life. I believe that once you give out, automatically God will bless you in a tremendous way. You've never come down. That's the principle of what givers never lack. Let me cut the story short. Givers never lack. Givers never lack. So therefore, let me know what you guys think about it, as he's going to celebrate his birthday very soon in his new mansion. No more rent. Now he's a landlord. So I believe that with his hard work that he has been struggling for years. Now he became a landlord. So also you two guys can do the same to become a landlord too, or a landlady. So it is connection, chain that goes around. So God bless you all. Let me know what you think in the comment section, as it's a big chain for now. Let us celebrate with our brother Skibby as God blessed him. May God bless you all, my viewers too, and all my well-wishers. This Savannah City, Ibadan, Africa. Thank you all once more. Kanye West announces 2020 presidential run. Kanye West has announced that he will run for US president in the upcoming 2020 election. The 43-year-old rapper and fashion designer shared his declaration on Twitter on Independence Day in America, which was July 4th, causing a stir on social media. We must now realize the promise of America by trusting God, unifying our vision, and building our future. I'm running for the President of the United States of America, he wrote. I'll be attaching what he said on his Twitter. Kanye West's wife, reality TV star Kim Kardashian West, responded to the Twitter with an American flag emoji, while Tesla's CEO Elon Musk wrote, "You have my full support." There are only 4 months left to go before polling day on 3rd November. And it is not known whether West has filed any official paperwork to appear on state election ballots. Kanye West will go up against Donald Trump, who he has been a vocal supporter of, and Democrat Joe Biden. I believe that once God gives you a vision in anything that you are doing, age is just a number. You can do that at the earliest before it is too late. I think this is the normal age for the youngsters, either in Nigeria or any part of Africa, to become a president. Not when you are 50 or 55 or 60 or even 70, when you're about to die. You want to become president of a nation. No. I believe that what Kanye West and Obama too was like that before, at a young age when he became a president of America. Same thing, we want young and talented, oriented person that can lead the country to the best. I believe when God gives you a vision, please work on it right now. The vision, the COVID-19 has given everybody a vision that what our leaders are doing for us, it is not the best. Now, everybody's eyes have opened for the best. So thank you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and regarding this upcoming election for our African brother in America that is running for the 2020 US presidential post. Thank you guys. This Savannah City, Ibadan, Africa. Let me know what you think in the comment section. May God bless you all as you are supporting me. Thank you once more.